Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for John in Manchester, Tennessee on this RCI-2985DX. John, this ought to complement your John Boy 4CX 800 box very well. We got your RF power set up here to run the radio like it should be. 5-watt slug, half a watt carrier there. And you can spin it up to 5 watts, no problem. You're probably going to end up running at about 2 or 3 watts anyways on the John Boy. 100-watt slug. I'll show you average power. Hello, audio. About 13 watts of average power of these 1969s. Go to peak. Hello, audio. 32 watts peak. She's all set to go, sideband fully aligned, truckerized. Ready to go, John. Mr. Yardbird, your friend, truck cbsales@gmail.com. And I got down. Boppity bump.